Chemistry, theory and practicals at one place. CHEM recipes for easy learning. Advanced Level Chemistry Unit 1 Atomic Structure. The electron. Experiments run to find out properties of cathode rays. Stoney suggested the name electron for the fundamental unit of electricity depending on Faraday's experimental results on electrolysis. William Crookes. Under high voltage, an electrical discharge was applied across the electrons in evacuated sealed glass tube. Crookes' observations: he observed a glow around cathode. When pressure in tube was further reduced, glow moved towards anode. A dark space was resulted. When dark filled the entire tube, a beam of rays was emitted from cathode. The rays gave a green glow when they reached zinc sulfide coated walls of discharge tube. These rays were called cathode rays. J.J. Thomson, who did experiments on cathode rays. The experimental setup is called cathode ray tube. Experiment number 1. When an opaque object was placed on the path of the cathode rays, a sharp image was observed. The cathode rays travel in straight lines. When the cathode rays were subjected to an electric field, the rays attracted to the positive plate. Conclusion: cathode rays must be negatively charged. Experiment number 3. When cathode rays were subjected to a magnetic field, the rays were deflected perpendicular to the magnetic field and in the same direction as the negatively charged particles do. Cathode rays must be negatively charged. Experiment number 4. When a pedal wheel was placed on the path of the cathode rays, it moved towards anode. Conclusion: cathode rays are moving particles with mass and kinetic energy. Millikan discovered the charge of the electron by his famous oil drop experiment. Thomson determined the ratio of charge to mass of electron using the deflection of cathode ray beam. The charge of electron was known and the mass of electron could be calculated. It was stated that cathode rays are the fundamental units of electricity, which were named as electrons by Stoney. Special characters of electron. The properties of electrons are independent from the gas and from the cathode material in the cathode ray tube. The E/M of electron is identical for any gas, for any cathode material. The distinctive properties of cathode rays: they are negatively charged, they travel in straight lines, they have momentum, thus they have mass and velocity. Summary of the lesson: the electron is most common to all forms of matter. Values of charge, mass and E/M are same to all elements. Negatively charged particle with a small mass. The name electron was given by Stoney, physically discovered by J.J. Thomson. Then Thomson, who is credited now for identifying cathode rays as the things we call electrons today. See you with a series of chemistry lessons. Thanks for watching. Stay with Chem Recipes for more videos.